There is a place where time feels slower than anywhere else. A field of lavender stretching so far, it feels like the world never ends. People say when the wind moves through it, it doesn't make a sound. It feels like a memory gently passing by. But what they don't tell you is how it makes you feel. Like every heavy thought slowly becomes lighter, as if the sky itself is breathing with you. And in that moment, nothing from the outside world matters anymore. Only peace stays behind.